Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I am here with another video on another background here. Oh, they love and Lucy. And guess what? Guess. Take a lucky guess.
Daddy,
They're coming home with us. Oh, baby asleep. Oh, me Missy too asleep. She not asleep. Guys, look at Adiana. I think she asleep. She not asleep, you know? She's asleep. Adiana. Baby. Excited?
Yeah.
We're gonna leave to go back to my home. Guys, them only spend a day with Widow. So sad. Better than nothing. Yeah, you still have that?
I mean, no, you should have just said I'm not left you out. No,
Guys, you know from when my bad I kill love Get me have one too.
No, long time I have to go over me have it.
But guys, me excited. Them a come over our house, come spend a day with we. I mean, better than nothing. So I could enjoy the one day with them. So soon come back, we go pack up. So we're so ready. I gotta tell Uncle Jason to make space for the baby car seat, babe. No, I say, can't not up on the seat. You just go in the middle. And Lucy sit down on one end, Lover sit down on one end. You know, so when you walk away, car lock back. So put the bag in front. Let me hold the bag in my lap. Guys, then telling us, Adiana love baby shark. Baby shark, do, baby shark. Give her a laugh, Adi.
You just wait, give me a laugh.
She's sweet, you see, guys. Love her, this kitchen.
What?
This whole mother thing.
No.
I like me tell Lucy. No, I'm not tell her that. Wait there. No, Lucy, I lie. Wait, tell. Wait there. Alright, so I see a brace at the back, but there's no side to it to get something through it.
There's nowhere there to the side.
No. I mean, down at the bottom, I see something, but then it wouldn't run underneath the padding.
It's a small little opening, you know.
Well, it must be this
Just
then,
push
Lucy.
the metal part.
Why?
Hold on then. I mean, I give up, you know. Lucy, I must eat this then. Push it through.
Right
this.
now my hand is big to go pan. See if you can shoot up pan.
See my little hand there, man.
Yeah, eat this.
Oh, this my metal thing?
See it, yeah. See me again, yeah.
Wait, this one?
I'll push it up this one.
Push it through way.
I'm
Through
not
that
even
wall with
sure,
your
but
hand.
may I try?
Make it, you know, say, the whole eye is so black.
The-
No, man, it can't drag. Yeah, drag it back from me.
Hold it, man. Just hold it.
That would help.
See if it can come to you now.
Can I get it, babe?
It'll come out a little
Did
bit.
that come out?
Hand, bro.
Yeah, thank you.
Feed me it. No, you see, I drag it back.
I know, but my tell you, just hold it, man. Alright, take it now.
Drag it.
it?
Ajana, look what come out.
Feed it. What come out?
Does that?
See if I can pull somewhere, babe.
Hold it, Jason.
I know,
Come on,
pull.
just hold it. May I drive you?
Oh, my feed it.
See in this hand, bro.
Adi,
Hold
Adi.
on, let me look.
You say, if you come fix this. Say, Adi, me say.
Drive Jason, I can get to know more to you.
See it there. See it there.
What may I tell you about?
Yes.
Sit right around here, so.
Adi.
You want just a little space.
Uncle back to you.
All right.
Much later.
No. See it there now, yeah.
Woo!
Meanwhile.
Must be fun.
Why, Adi, you don't have a cane I roll, you come like me.
Just sit down and relax.
And I relax.
Alright, Adiana. Let me take over there.
Take your time. Release her hand.
Carry her back out so can she leave.
Oh, no, don't worry yourself, man. No, don't worry yourself, man. Watch your finger.
So guys, love all them are coming in.
Oh.
Oh, Jason. Welcome. So,
Guys, welcome to one
So welcome Lovell, Adiana, and Lucy.
We're going on the road tomorrow.
Yes. Lucy, put on your back there, man. A stranger yard there. And we clean the fan phone because I know we can't have no dusty breeze.
We could go up on the road. Where you want to go? Talk. That's what Lucy when you want to sleep.
So guys, we are back home and tired. It was a long day. She nice? Come baby, wash your hands.
Yeah.
Good morning guys. So I just wake up and I still feel tired. I don't know if I can see, but I feel tired. I not even did record nothing last night because we did come and just settle in and I get 1 and 2 stuff done. And by the time I just start feel sleepy, I make on my bed. Now it's after 6. Lovell and Lucy wake up. So I go just to bed and jump into the kitchen real quick and make some breakfast. Plus I have some stuff for hangout. So today gonna be a pretty busy day, but fun. You know, I can't light the stove if I'm in a bed. So yeah.
Come on, Manice. Listen, man. This is a part of the life, Manice.
Yeah, they wait long time, yeah?
Just wake as the door pull.
I should receive for
As
this.
the door crack me up, wake.
We tell her easy for wake.
Come like Lucy.
No, come like which Lucy?
I said Lucy to
Yeah,
me.
Lucy, I just saw chocolate. Man.
We here.
Listen, go keep it there by your man sleep, say it.
Baby.
Hey, me in charge of you now. Your uncle say, be a good girl. No
No
nice.
cry.
Me just wait. Come let me get you. God, been no open lift here, you know. Jesus God. You're so clever.
You have to walk around, babe. Walk around
Hey,
with
look how we
that.
set.
Watch out. Watch out.
Man,
Go back in the kitchen, go make my breakfast. Alright guys, me in the kitchen, I make some breakfast. The Uncle Jason, the Uncle Beauties. Guys, I make frankfurt and nuggets and egg for breakfast. I don't have no plantain. Normally I would have plantain, but plantain run out. This morning I wake up and I roll over on the bed. I can't feel Jason. When I come out in I live in area, Jason up and edit after 2. Jason, I know when to go sleep, you know? You go walk your baby?
I just make breakfast.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah, beetroot in a lotion. You like it? It's the alright?
Mm-hmm.
Awesome. Chesley? I'm gonna take time and try it though. Make sure you're comfortable, you know? Good. I'll be back. So, guys, may run out left them. Now go market here.
Yeah.
Later, guys. Alright, guys, so I'm reach back. So I have to pick up 2 little things. I'm going to pick up 1 bag of things. So now I go wipe them off before I pack them off. Oh, look at my bag. So cool now. Like this? It's lunchtime and outside look like it's gonna rain, so we just lock up inside right now. And I wait on Jason for come home. But for lunch, I don't want to lunch. I don't normally eat lunch. Because I had breakfast this morning, I don't going to eat no lunch. I don't feel no way when I go now, I don't eat. I just skip lunch. Normally I would make one smoothie, but I don't feel hungry none at all. So for lunch, it's bun and cheese. Alright, lunch is ready.
Thank you.
Sorry for giving a napkin, but a bun and cheese, so you know you don't require no plate. But yeah guys, let's start prep for dinner. But I am so happy guys, me not lie. If you don't know me as a family person. This is Lovell and Lucy first time I come at the house here. Just for Jason having my sister over, that made me feel good because you know me always I have over my siblings and stuff. But I'm blessed today for have over my sister, my brother-in-law and him niece. So I'm just happy about that. Yeah, I'm gonna prep for dinner. So if you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're there a long time, thanks for your chat the journey with me. Road to 100k. Bye guys.